One of the first technical analysis concepts that traders learn is that of support and resistance. Support is simply a price level below the current price. When the price declines to a support level, a support area, then usually traders find these prices attractive and they enter the market with buy positions, with buy trades, causing the price to rise. In economic terms, demand is greater than supply. The more times a support level is tested, the more significant, the more important that support is. The more significant a support is, the more confident we feel as traders that the next time the price will decline to that support level, to that support area, that it will bounce off one more time. There are additional parameters that add to the significance, to the importance of a support level. Volume is one of them. A support area, we can assume that a support area is more significant where the buy trades are accompanied by high volumes compared to a support level where the buy trades are in low volume. I am sure that you will feel more confident when the price declines to such a support level. Another factor is that of time, the time factor as we call it in technical analysis. I guess that we would feel more confident if a specific support level has been tested many times recently, the last days, the last weeks, the last months, compared to the last decades, right? So the more recent a support level has been tested, the more significant and the more confident we feel that the next time the price will decline to that support area, that it will bounce off once more. Now, let's talk about resistance. And it goes without saying that what we have been discussing so far about support, it equally applies to resistance. But what is resistance? Resistance is a price above the current price. It's a price level above the current price, right? For example, you can picture resistance, the ceiling, right? Very good. And of course, similarly, support is the floor where I'm standing on. Now, talking about resistance, when the price reaches the resistance level, the resistance area, then usually traders will find that price attractive and they will enter the market with sell trades, causing the market to decline. Of course, the question is, when the price goes to a support area, is it guaranteed 100% that the price will bounce off? And when the price reaches a resistance area, is it guaranteed that the price will rebound? The answer is no, 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 because nothing is guaranteed 100%. So, trade wisely. See you in a while. Now you know your support and resistance.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.